So sometimes you have enough, you have enough suture that you're probably going to be able to make it to the end of an incision, but it's going to be very close and that you might end up with a very, very short strand. I know I did another video of how to tie when you have a really short strand, but since I learned this method, I have not had to use the other method because this, I think, works better. I noticed this from one of the plastic surgeons I worked with, and it takes a little bit of practice to be able to do it because it's a little tricky. So I come up, and I'm going to use a ridiculously short suture because I just want to demonstrate how extreme it can get, and you can still get it. So you can see this would be very hard to tie. If you use your forceps to give you a little length, you can actually tie a very short suture by holding it with your forceps, and that's what took practice. So you hold your forceps, sometimes you hold the suture, and you can get almost none and be able to tie. Almost no suture and be able to tie. And like I said, I'm doing a little extreme to show you how short it can be. So you can see how this would work really well when you have a very short suture, and there's almost none that you can't tie. Of course, if it was only an inch, you wouldn't be able to, but there you have it. You can tie and use your forceps, but you just have to grab behind the teeth here when you're pulling it, and then you kind of clasp it. Sometimes you can hold right here on the suture. All right, there you go.